Okay, we're doing 51. The first thing we want to do is single out alpha. So we subtract 9. The next thing we do is divide 5. And then last, you want to get tangent to the other side, so you do the inverse of tangent of negative 9 over 5. From here, we're allowed to use our calculators. So you're going to type in negative tangent, or inverse tangent, of negative 9 over 5. And that gives you negative 1.06. Okay, so then you add plus k pi, because the period of tangent is pi, and the period of sine is 2 pi, and the period of cosine is 2 pi. But for tangent, it's just pi. So from here, all you're doing is plugging in values for k. So first, it's k equals 0, and that obviously gives us negative 1.06, which is not in this domain. So we'll cross that out. Next is k equals 1. So we're going to plug in negative 1.06 plus 1 pi. Now we're going to type that into the calculator. Negative 1.064 plus pi. That gives us 2.0775, which is in the domain, so that's going to be one of our answers. And then we'll do k equals 2. Plug in the 2 for k, and then type that into our calculator. Plus 2 pi. That gives us 5.219, which is also in the domain. Alright, so the domain is 2 pi, and 2 pi is equal to 6.28. So from here, we can realize that the rest of the values, when you plug in higher than 2, it's going to not be in the domain, but just to make sure, we'll plug in a 3. And that's going to give us negative 1.06 plus 3 pi. That's going to give us 8.36, which is not in the domain. Or 8.36. So from here you can realize that your solution is 2.076 and 5.22.